Some months ago we were here for the first movie. Now I'm really excited to welcome you to the factory again to see the next part of the movie and what's happened since last time. Follow me into the factory. I think the partnership and the good cooperation that we have makes it possible, because we wouldn't be able to do this ourselves.
The first step in such a partnership is to build a partnership.
Yeah.
To listen to each other,
Yeah.
to know what is your expectation, and then we can find together a good solution. When we start with glass machinery, the question of a customer was, are you able to cut glass?
Yeah.
Today that is not longer a question. Today it's a question of logistic. Jumbo size comes in the factory, and on the end of the factory there's a ready product to sold.
Yeah.
And we are responsible that you can generate money with it. Know-how from your responsible guys, from all the people which are working here,
Yeah.
that their expectation is also part of the project.
Yeah. And I think we're in that process right now. We have really positive feeling after the first phases. What we're working with a lot now is to get the flow running and to get the efficiency up and to get the operators used to handling the glass in the new way, because it's a new way of working. And I think that's something that we get also from you. We're not only buying the machine, we're partners in making the workflow in the best possible way. We really want to become the best glass refiner in northern part of Europe, and to do that we need to talk to the best suppliers and be partners together. We're becoming more than supplier and customer. We're partners, we're friends, which is a nice feeling. We're now at the double edger, and I'm really happy to say that the automation helps us, so we don't need an operator to put on the glass for the double edger. It comes automatically from sorting one all the way into the double edger. A really great development.
We are in the area where we have the storage system, the gantry system. We have our cutting area in front of us here. Underneath me here is the material flow over to the sorting system. We call this the sorting number one. Behind me is sorting one here at Osby Glas, and you just saw the output shuttle move. It transfers the glass towards sorting number two, which feeds the insulating glass lines here at Osby Glas. Another thing that has been automized here at Osby Glas is the crushing of the trim edges on the glass. Crushed, transferred, and crushed into small pieces of glass called cullets.
Our idea, our plan, our dream was always to make a fully automated factory here in Sweden. Okay, thank you for watching. It's been exciting so far. There will be much more to come, so please follow us in the future, and welcome to the new factory.